Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing something a little different for a couple reasons. One, I have Jessica with me, so it's always a pleasure. But we're actually rating YouTubers' cars. Now, I've seen this done a couple of times. Usually with the bigger YouTubers, you always see the same ones. So we're doing something, huge hole in my shirt. We're doing something a little different because we're rating relatively smaller YouTubers. And by that, I mean under 200,000 subscribers. We're going to start right off the bat. Before we do though, I have a new Instagram, so it'll be right here. Go give me a follow. It's my car Instagram. It's S5KevG. Give it a follow if you haven't already. Thank you guys for following that. It's a new account, but we're already like 370 followers, so that's kind of cool. Anyways, let's get right into it. So the first person we're gonna be checking out and rating, I guess, is Justin Bice. I believe that's how you pronounce your last name. So Justin has a couple builds on his channel. One is a Scion FRS. Super cool red color. He doesn't keep anything stock. Justin was honestly like one of the first YouTubers that I ever subscribed to because of my E90 that I had, and I wanted an E90. He's one of the main reasons I actually got one. His car is the black BMW 328i. It is a 2006 328i E90, one of the cleanest builds that I've seen on YouTube. He made it his own. Honestly, the wheels that he has on right now, not a huge fan of. I did like the older ones, the VMR V710s. I actually like them so much that I bought them from him. Fun fact, on my old E90, my Alpine White 328i, I bought his wheels. He listed them for sale, and I ran those on my car until I sold it 2 years ago.
I mean, it's pretty cool. I don't have much input to put into all this stuff. I don't know much about cars. I mean, it looks nice. The inside looks cool.
Yeah, inside is clean. That's like one of the things on E90s. It's a 14-year-old car, and the interior looks brand new. So that's kind of sick. What do you think about the FRS?
Is that his car?
Yeah.
Oh, Austin's car. Oh, that one's cool. I like this one.
You do?
Yeah, it looks cool.
I like that it has 2 doors and that it's low, because that's what I like. But the white wheels.
Kind of cool. I've never seen anything like that.
Kind of sick.
I kind of like it.
I do
It looks
too.
cool. Adds to it.
Definitely does. Especially the new headlights. Let's see if there's a picture with those. Yup. Super clean. I really like it. Cool. Justin has 180,000 now. He's growing really fast. Honestly, like one of the higher subscriber channels that we're going to be reviewing and rating in today's video, but super cool car. Okay, the second person we are moving on to is Tyler with the BMW M6. Ty is a good friend of mine. He went on Rally Kings with us. Super cool car. Let's check this thing out. So it is an F13 M6, an Alpine White. I love this thing. I mean, we did get a ride in it, so there's a reaction video. It'll be like, I think up there. Me reacting to the 700 horsepower M6. Thing is insane. It sounds cool. It has upgraded intake, exhaust, tune on it. I mean, it's just like a rocket ship. And I think that, yeah, it's a license plate too. So this is like the best of both worlds in terms of luxury, comfort, performance. Not really a winter car, but it's sweet. What do you think of the M6?
I like it. I mean, I have more to say about this one because I actually saw it, and it was really cool to ride in it. And I don't know, it's cool. Goes fast.
Goes fast. A little faster than mine. Rear-wheel drive rocket ship. Ty, you did a solid job with the mods. Tastefully done. It's just like a OEM plus look. Blacked out where it needs to be blacked out. Really tastefully done. Cool car. Thank you, Ty. Next car and next channel we're gonna kind of rate is Ty's brother. So this is Troy's. Troy hasn't uploaded a ton to YouTube recently, but he is a YouTuber. Link will be, by the way, all these channels in the description. This is Troy's brand new car. He got this like 4 or 5 weeks ago, right before the rally. It is a Mercedes AMG GTR, and it is absolutely gorgeous in the green color. The vinyl kit he put on this for the rally is like, it's like the same as the pace cars for F1. So if you guys didn't know, the AMG GTR is the official pace car for F1, and everything he did is just so cool. I mean, it was like one of the baddest cars on the rally, that's for sure. I love the color. Color is definitely my favorite part. It's the beast of the green hell. It's just the coolest thing ever. I don't know, I love it. So Troy, cool car. You need to upload more on YouTube. Oh, also, this car is lowered. It has HRE wheels, I believe downpipes and a tune. So it's not stock by any means. This car is super badass. The only thing though, the shipping company damaged it in transport though. So it has this little ding kind of sucks. It's just there. It's hard to even notice, but I believe he's getting everything sorted out. Super cool car. Any particular thoughts on Troy's vehicle?
Like the color. I don't know. It looks really cool.
Solid. Okay.
Much it.
Very cool. Next one is going to be JD Cars, another YouTuber that I subscribed to like 3 years ago when I was looking at E90s. He had an E90 build that he sold, and he has an F30 now. It is a rear-wheel drive 335i. The one thing that I really like about this is that he makes every single car his own, and he does all the work himself. So if you go on his YouTube channel, he does all the wraps, he takes off all the body panels. It's like definitely a DIY kind of channel, and that's what I really liked about it, because he did a lot on his E90, and then I've just been following this build. The wrap is super cool in my opinion. I love the colors. It's a 335i, but it has the M3 body kit basically all around. So the side skirts, the bumpers, everything is like mimicking the BMW M3 F80 body style. So the one thing that I could critique about this car is that it has the body kit minus all the performance. I don't know exactly what's done to the internals because I have been busy doing YouTube videos myself, haven't been watching a lot. I like the body kit, super cool, very unique build. So next is going to be Thick F30. This is John's channel. So John had an E90 M3 build, he had an F30 build, and now he has a BMW M2 that is absolutely phenomenal. I mean, this is a sweet car. If I had to like trade my car upgrade right now, BMW M2 would be sick. I just have a soft spot for Alpine white BMWs because that was my first car that I bought myself. Everything about John's channel is like super cool. His drone footage, his
pictures are really cool.
His pictures are really good. He's always just has photographers for some reason. Super chill dude. He's very knowledgeable in filmmaking, like Amazon affiliate marketing. Like this dude just does it himself and he absolutely grinds. So he's one of my favorite YouTubers, absolutely. Very consistent uploading schedule, very cool builds. I think the wrap on the E90 build was like the coolest thing. It was blue, like a deep blue purple kind of color. But yeah, the M2 that he has now is just so well done in my opinion. It has just the right amount of carbon fiber. It is clean. The Alpine white is just, oh, it's nice. Thoughts on John's car?
Okay, so overall, I think his car looks cool. His pictures are super, super cool. And the inside looks clean.
Clean.
And it looks nice on like every picture.
True. So the last one is Finding Nick, who just hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Congratulations, that's super cool. He has a GTR and an M3, also an E46 M3 drift build, which is gonna be super cool. I mean, it's just two of like my favorite cars, the E92 M3, and the color is just beautiful on it, and then a GTR that he's building. So he just got an exhaust on it. Let's see. Ooh, that's cool. Yeah, the GTR speaks for itself, just like one of the coolest OG fast cars. Yeah.
I like the inside.
Yeah. I mean, the media is super cool on his channel and on his Instagram. Like, definitely puts in the work to his videos. He's been using the same vlog camera for 3 years since he started YouTube, so that's kind of cool. He hasn't really upgraded in terms of that, but it's like, I mean, it's sick. It gets the job done, and his videos look good. So, yeah, his E92 is just so cool.
That's really cool.
The red custom steering wheel on it. I mean, it's just cool. So the GTR just kind of speaks for itself. Let's see what else. Overall, for Finding Nick, I mean, beautiful cars, like some of the coolest. E92 M3, E46 M3, and the Nissan GTR. Like, 3 cool cars. Dude works hard at YouTube, just hit 100,000. Thoughts?
Nice. I think it looks really cool. I don't know.
That's it. All right, well, that's kind of it. If you guys like this sort of video, like sit down style and judging people, I guess. Let me know in the comments. Like the video if you did, dislike it if you hated it. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 1,200 subscribers, so thank you very much. That's cool. That's it. We'll see you in the next video.